Ever wondered why you have to turn off your phone during takeoff and landing? Will it really interfere with the plane? No, your phone won't crash the plane. But phones send out radio signals that could interfere with pilot communication and cause static noise in their headsets. Takeoff and landing are the most critical parts of a flight, so pilots need a clear connection with air traffic control. So it's not about danger, it's about avoiding distractions. Now, would you risk it? Let us know in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more curious conversations.